It's time for an extra serving of food safety information from foodsafetymarket.com. Your essential guide to cooking temperatures. Some food you buy may already have harmful germs. One of the best ways to reduce these germs to a safe level is to cook the food to the correct temperature. The only way you will know for sure the food is safe is to check the temperature in the thickest part with a clean, sanitized, and calibrated thermometer. Beef, veal, and lamb cooking temperatures are medium rare, 63 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium, 71 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Well done, 77 degrees Celsius, 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Pork must be cooked to 71 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. For example, ham, pork loin, ribs, pieces, and whole cuts. Mechanically tenderized beef must be cooked to 63 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn steak over at least twice during cooking. Ground beef, veal, lamb, and pork must be cooked to 71 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground poultry, such as ground chicken and turkey, must be cooked to 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For poultry, such as chicken, turkey, duck, pieces must be cooked to 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Whole poultry must be cooked to 82 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Egg dishes must be cooked to 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Note: customers requesting an undercooked egg should know that germs are not destroyed until the yolk is hard. Fish must be cooked to 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Foods such as hot dogs, stuffing, and leftovers must be heated to 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Crustaceans and shellfish must be cooked to 74 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Examples of crustaceans include shrimp, lobster, and crab. Shellfish include scallops, clams, mussels, and oysters. It is difficult to use a thermometer to check shellfish, so discard any that does not open when cooked. Note: customers consuming raw, marinated fish and shellfish should know it is a health hazard. Cooking is recommended to ensure safety. When holding cold food, it must be kept at 4 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. When holding hot food, it must be kept at 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When reheating food, it must be heated to 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Your essential guide to cooking temperatures.